Welcome in, everyone, to EA Sports' continuing coverage of PGA Tour Golf. With Frank Nobilo by my side, I'm Rich Lerner. Frank, as weekend golfers know, there's always part of your game that you're focused on. So I'll ask the question, what are you going to be looking at here today?
Tee to green, Rich. I know people always say putting's important. I'm not going to say it's overrated, but tee to green, if you want to play good golf day in, day out, fairways greens, that's the secret.
We're just going to play 9 here, so let's get it started as we head out to the tee at the par 4 first.
Now that definitely finds the rough off the first tee. Certainly not the start he was looking for.
Second shot now at this opening hole. Iona Stephen is at the first green. This for birdie.
Any movement in this putt is going to be slight in nature. This is one you're looking to make.
That so nearly a birdie, but par is all he'll have to show for it. Moving on, we come to the par 4 second.
Well, that drive was enormous. I know it's in the rough, but that is long.
Ball above his feet here as he decides how to play his second. Well, Frank, this is a case where a par is going to feel like an eagle if he's able to get this done.
If he can just make it, just make this putt, then just run to the next tee.
That one looked in right from the start. He's able to slide that in for his par. Well done. That was obviously well struck, but it came in a little too hot, and that one's going to run out and leave him a much longer birdie putt than he would have hoped for. Yeah, that's a pretty good putt, just a little bit off the mark. Disappointment there. We'll brush it in, and that'll be just a par. Moving on to the 4th hole.
Too strong for this hole, eh? Ran out of fairway and into the rough. Big hit, though.
Okay, a little left to do, but safely on the green. Okay, can't take that length for granted, but that's in for a par. A par 4 on tap next as we come to the 5th hole. Well, you can't walk out and drop it any better than that. That is a fine tee shot right there. From the fairway, Iona, this is second.
Yes, we have 140 yards left to the flag. Pin all the way at the back. He can fly it the full way.
Digs into the bunker, getting set to play the 3rd shot. Yeah, look how quick that was. Very difficult to get that to stop, even out of the sand. And that race is right on by. Good job of Deadman right by the hole, but he could not get it to go in. 1 over for the day. Now the par 4. Needs a good tee shot. Wayward from the tee, and this one is headed for the rough, Frank. Ball sitting okay here for his 2nd here at the 6th.
That just came out blazing. As soon as it hit the green, it was never going to stop.
And that will be quite a challenge from there to get away with his par.
If he can make this, I'd just take it and run to the next hole.
Oh, you're kidding. This game's unfair sometimes. That looked in the whole way. No problem with that one. Headed to hole number 7.
Absolute beauty. And that second shot on this par 5, it just came out too low. Came out like a bullet. That first bounce, it wasn't going to stop. Second bounce wasn't going to stop. And just ran over the back.
A straightforward look here for birdie. Okay, good work from off the green, and that's how you walk away with a birdie here at the par 5. solid shot, and sometimes solid throughout the round will win the day.
11 feet away.
Yes, well done there. And back to even par now on the day. One more par 4 to get through on this front side as we come to the par 4 ninth. Beautiful tempo to that swing, and this is going to wind up squarely in the fairway. Pin cut back left here today as he stares down his second to the par 4. Needed maybe half a club more there. As it is, needs to get up and down to save par.
Just didn't figure that out well. It had to land that ball further up the green for it to go closer.
Almost fell, just a few inches from dropping.
Sometimes the game just isn't fair.
Cleans that up in the hole. So